Hi guys, if you don't know what this is, these are not sponsored by the way, but I just want to show you the burst and show you how satisfying it is. 3, 2, 1. It's like a little, when you put it in water with the activator, it gets harder and turns into many pieces. Put another one in and grab this one. That one's really hard. Look at my hands. They're all gooey. But I'll grab this one. And as you can see, this one's a bit harder. We'll take out a white. I did this off camera. The white one. So yeah, those were the used balls. I just want to show you the burst of them. And we made it like this. We put activator, we waited for an hour for it to, kind of settle down. We mixed every 15 minutes. We put activator into warm water. We put it in and let it form. And this is what it looks like. It's like a little gooey and hard at the same time. And you pour it in. Oh yeah. Not pour it in. You put it in and just start shaking it until you think it gets warm, like really good and hardened. Dip it in. Wait a minute. So I took this one. Now it turned into like a little salt burst kind of thing. And then I put it back in, play with my next one, and they are like a little hard to burst. You have to like squeeze on them very hard. My this board is attached. If I drop one, will it burst? No, it will not burst. So you might play with these. You can bounce them around and stuff. You can bounce them around and all that. And yeah. So I'm gonna show you again, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and these are what we made. So bye.